Samsung has been teasing the Galaxy S25 Edge for months, from Unpacked to MWC 2025, but key details like pricing and availability have remained under wraps, until now. According to new reports, the Galaxy S25 Edge will be priced lower than the Ultra but positioned between the S25 Plus and the S25 Ultra in South Korea. The 256GB model is expected to cost 1,500,000 KRW, $1,029, while the 512GB variant will be 1,630,000 KRW, $1,180. However, Samsung typically prices its devices lower in Korea, meaning international prices may be slightly higher. For comparison, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, 256GB, costs 1,698,000 KRW, $1,165, while the 512GB model is 1,841,000 KRW, $1,263. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Plus, 256GB, is priced at 1,353,000 KRW, $933, with the 512GB version at 1,496,000 KRW, $1,026. This pricing structure positions the S25 Edge as a premium alternative, offering a stylish form factor without reaching ultra-level costs. Limited availability. Despite Samsung showcasing the S25 Edge multiple times, no official release date has been announced. Leaks suggest it could launch in April, with sales beginning in May. However, initial supply will reportedly be limited to just 40,000 units, a stark contrast to the 1 million Galaxy S25 units sold in Korea within the first 21 days. If demand is high, Samsung may ramp up production, but for now, availability appears highly restricted. Additionally, the S25 Edge will not have a 1TB option, with buyers limited to 256GB or 512GB. The 40,000 unit stock will be split between these models, meaning availability may vary based on demand. A unique addition to Samsung's lineup. The Galaxy S25 Edge aims to appeal to users who prioritize design and feel over raw specs. It offers a sleek, ultra-thin form factor, making it an attractive alternative to traditional S25 models. However, with a missing telephoto camera and a limited initial release, it remains to be seen whether it will gain widespread popularity. Samsung's cautious approach suggests the company is testing the market before fully committing to this new design philosophy. If successful, we may see more ultra-slim models in the future. The Galaxy S25 series. Official unveiling and pricing. Samsung is officially launching the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra today, marking the debut of three highly anticipated models. Just ahead of the unveiling, leaked retail box images showcased their sleek packaging, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste by excluding a charger. Color options. Galaxy S25, refined gray. Galaxy S25 Plus, dark blue. Galaxy S25 Ultra, titanium ice blue. Exclusive online colors, blue, black, coral red, pink gold. Pricing, base 256GB models in Korea. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 KRW, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 KRW, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 KRW, $1,171. 512GB models see a slight increase in price, reflecting higher storage costs and the premium Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. Key features. Galaxy AI. Free through 2025, enhancing features like night video with audio eraser for improved low-light videos and noise reduction. Improved selfie cameras, delivering lifelike skin tones and textures. Battery capacities. S25, 4,000 mAh. S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh. S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. Displays. S25, 6.2-inch. S25 Plus, 6.7-inch. S25 Ultra, 6.9-inch with a 200MP main camera. Samsung's ecosystem upgrades include Smart Switch for seamless data transfers and Samsung Wallet for secure payments. Daily news briefings will also provide personalized weather and top story updates. Final thoughts. The Galaxy S25 Edge is an intriguing addition, positioned as a stylish yet premium alternative to traditional flagship models. While its limited release and missing features may leave some hesitant, its ultra-thin design could appeal to a unique audience. With the Galaxy S25 series officially launching, are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to reserve your device through the link in the description for exclusive offers. Thanks for reading. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest gadgets.